Hi guys, I was gifted these heat shrink butt connectors from the seller so I could show you everything about them. So I already took one out of the package. This is what it looks like. All right, here we are. We're gonna take the stripped wires and we are going to insert them into the butt connector. I will then crimp them. All right, I have the butt connector all crimped together here. I'm going to go ahead and get the heat gun. This material is thickened 99.9% thin plated copper core, which has excellent connectivity. It's IP67 marine grade waterproof, and it can effectively prevent short circuits. The heat shrink tubing has wire gauge markings for easy identification and inspection. The inside of the connector is shown. The inside of the connector is sealed and it provides all-around waterproof and corrosion resistance. It's making it ideal for electricians, repair technicians, or engineers. It is also very suitable for home wiring repair, industrial wiring repair, automotive system repair, marine repair, and solar panel wiring applications. All right, as you guys saw, this connector was awesome. It heat shrank perfectly. Then we put it in the water for that dunk test just to show you that it's waterproof and no water got in that connector. So if you guys are in the market for a nice marine grade connector like this one, go ahead and get this one. You're gonna love it. Thanks.